Hi, welcome to Video Doctor, and this video we'll be seeing the overview of ATEM Mini Extreme. So this is an upgraded model of ATEM Mini Pro. So in ATEM Mini Extreme, you have 8 inputs. You can see 8 HDMI inputs. At the back side, you can see 8 HDMI inputs with where you can connect 8 cameras or a combination of cameras and laptops or any other video devices, and you have 2 HDMI outputs over here. So these 2 HDMI outputs, one can be used for multi-view and one can be used for outputs and distribution to monitors. And we have 2 USB-Cs. Again, this is an added advantage. One you can use for software control, one you can use for recording, or one you can use for streaming via USB-C webcam. So I have tagged a video to do how to do USB webcam and stream. So you can just click on the video and see. So we have another USB-C here where you can connect an SSD and directly record. And finally, we have one Ethernet port where you can use the inbuilt streaming engine from the ATEM Mini Extreme and stream it anywhere you want. As for that also, we have linked a video. It is same for all the devices. You can see and have a look. So let's get into the overview of the front panel. You can see a lot of buttons over here, starting with the ATEM basic switching button. So this switching is basic, so you can switch between different sources just like that. So you have 2 media players that you can switch from here as well. And super source is there, so that is for another video. So I will detailedly explain about the super source in the future videos. And then at the top, right of the top, this part is basically to control your audio. So you can control your audio, you can keep on and off, you can control the level of the audio, and it's the same like ATEM Mini Pro, same. And audio follow video is basically when you switch your second camera audio will be on, and if you have kept audio follow video on all the sources, so whichever camera you choose, that particular connected audio will go online. Otherwise, let's say if you want to keep one particular camera on at the all time, you can just press on, and whatever you choose, this audio channel will be on at the all cost. Right? So this is for your audio, and right above that, it's entirely for the CCU for your pocket cameras or also broadcast. So you can control your gain, you can control your focus, you can control your black levels, you can control your shutter speed from here itself. Gain is basically ISO, focus, black, and shutter speed. So we have the entire thing over here. So I'll show you a demonstration how that works in another video. And at the top, you have 3 microphone headsets. In the back side, you can see there are 3 ports. In 3 ports, you have 2 microphones, and one is for your headphones to monitor what is going on. And in this, you can control all these things. You can on and off if something is not required in headphone. If you want to mute it, you can mute it. If you want to keep it on, you can keep it on. So these are the things that is available over here in the top to control your microphone inputs. And this part is basically the select bus. So select bus is basically whichever keyers that you are going to work on, or whichever sources, picture-in-picture you are going to work on. So for example, if you hit a picture-in-picture over here and hit on, and what source should that come in? So that will go inside this select bus. So that is about the select bus. And here you have the basic template preset for your picture-in-picture that is available, and you have macro buttons over here. So macro is another detailed video. We'll explain you about what and how to use a macro in an effective manner, and the duration for the transitions is over here, and basic templates, added buttons for your transitions is available over here, and that is for the transition part. And this part is basically for your output switching. So this particular HDMI 1, you can see the HDMI 1 will be responsible for whatever you're choosing over here. So if you want to control the second number HDMI output, you need to go to the software. So for the HDMI 1, you can see the HDMI 1. So this button will be responsible for that. This buttons. So you can choose multi-view, PGM, or any other outputs, camera source that you want to go through that, you can use it. And finally, you have the DS keys. DS key is over here. So key 1, DSK1 is available, and at the right corner you have the recording and the streaming options available over here. So this is the basic overview of the ATEM Mini Extreme. So I would like to connect the USB for showing you the software. So I'm connecting the USB over here. So it doesn't matter, you can connect to any USB you want. So I've connected to my laptop now. You can see the ATEM Mini Extreme is detected. You can go to the settings. You can go to the software control and you have the entire software control, 8 cameras. It has been customized for this. And you have all the tools over here. You can use your panel to switch between this. Whatever you do here will get updated in your software as well. Very simple and easy. And you have in this 4 upstream keyers and 2 downstream DSKs, and you have also a super source. So all these are a content for another video, and if you want to know something specific about ATEM Mini Extreme, just comment on us. We will make an exact video on the same. Thank you.